Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you a official way by which you can use GPT-5 model, which is recently released by the OpenAI company. So if you go to chatgpt.com, you will see this GPT-5 model, which is the most fastest and the smartest model they are claiming. If you do want to use this model in VS Code directly for coding purposes for creating your applications, so then there is this extension that you need to install here, which is called as Cline, C-L-I-N-E. Simply type in the extensions tab. This extension will come right here. Simply click the install button, and it's almost got 2 million installs. So it's basically used by many developers. So it's a coding agent right inside your VS Code. Simply click the install button, and as soon as you install this, uh, in the sidebar section, you will see this option will appear, Cline. Simply activate this, and after activating it, you can see it is automatically in the latest update. GPT-5 model is added. You can see all the family GPT-5, GPT-5 Mini, GPT-5 Nano. So now if you want to get started, you first of all right here in the selection panel, simply click that, and from the API provider, you just need to select this OpenRouter. Just select OpenRouter, and what OpenRouter is, it's actually a website where you can actually try out all the models for completely free. So you basically get this openrouter.ai, and here you search for, first of all, simply log in with your Google account. So I've already logged in, and simply search for this model, which is OpenAI. You can see the GPT-5 will come right here. So OpenAI requires bringing your own API key to use GPT-5 over the API. So in this easy way, you click the chat button. So here you can create applications. So whatever you want to do, you write the prompt. So here you do need to paste your OpenAI API key. You can even try here also, but you go to the key section and create a API key right here. So you basically create a API key right here. Simply give it a name, click, and simply paste this API key right here in the OpenRouter API key section. After that, from the model itself, you simply search for OpenAI GPT-5. You can just say here GPT-5. So this model will come. Simply select this model. So after that, you click on the new chat button, or you can even open it right here itself. So right in the chat window, you can see we are using the GPT-5 model. So here you can attach your files like this. So you can say modify this file to build a calculator. So for this, you do need the access for API key. So you just need to paste your own OpenAI. You will get it will give you this message. OpenAI is requiring a key to access this model, which you can add in the integration panel. Or you can also switch to GPT-5 chat or GPT-5 mini. So one such problem is that you can simply search to GPT-5 chat. And now if you run this, go to the panel here. Now just write so yeah, so for any plans GPT-5, so what you need to do in the integration panel, copy this address and simply paste. So inside your integrations, all it Basically, it supports all the AI providers. So you select your OpenAI. You can see it supports all this. So simply select this OpenAI section and right here click on configured and just replace your API key, which you can actually get if you are enrolled. You can create an OpenAI API key. So you first of all log in right here inside your Google account, and you just need to purchase some credits, or you can enroll in your pro plan to get access to the API key. So if you see, you click create new secret key. So you can see this is basically generated, and right here you paste inside this section. So if you once again test it out, so it is retrying it, you will see that. So you just need to replace your API key right here, and you also get the option to test it out. So this is the official way by which you can use it in VS Code. So replace your API key section right here. So you can see the usage of total tokens, token request. So also check out my website guys, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.